What's up, friends? Minecraft texture packs, Roblox scripts, beats and sounds, templates. What's actually good search content? To answer this question, we've created this video. You'll find out the solution right after our intro.
Linkvertise. Monetize your content.
In general, you can monetize all kinds of content with Linkvertise, with exceptions. This is not the case in search. For search, we're looking for quality content with the right framework. One could say that search is not just about the content, but the presentation. But before we get into the examples of good content, we're staying at this framework. Besides your content, you have to make sure your title, description, button text and presentation fit the requirements for search as well. If you're interested in those requirements or are just starting out with Linkvertise search, go and check out this video. But back to the topic of what content is best for search. Let us jump right into the examples. For your notice, these are all an actual content pieces from you guys out there. Starting out with this fire mod. We've got a clear but simple and explaining title. The description was not optimal but good enough, accepted by the content moderation. The button text is a short version of the title and therefore perfect. Extra points for the image featuring in-game recordings. Next up, we got another gaming substance. This time it's a Minecraft add-on. Same thing with a superb title, but with an optimal description which actually describes the content itself in detail. Short and decisive button text. Concluded with a good picture of the actual in-game content. Our third example shows a configuration file for low-end PCs to increase FPS. Easily understandable title, the description explains everything the content does for you, and the button text, nothing to complain here, good video and photo. As you can see, the process is quite similar no matter what the content is. Hopefully you'll understood that it's not that hard to write a proper SEO description. And thus, it's totally worth using the Linkvertise search engine to promote your content and earn proper money. We're at the end of this video. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and write your questions in the comment section down below. I see you next week.